Hi there, this is Lori at thenovastudio.com, and today I'm going to get off some sticky, sort of tacky grease that was left on a cookie pan for my toaster oven using some of my eco-friendly scouring powder that I made in a class. So basically I'm just gonna sprinkle some on here. I'm gonna add couple drops of orange essential oil, which is an amazing degreaser, and I'm just going to scrub right in there. Put a little bit of water, and I'm just going to kind of scrub it. My husband already washed this twice, and he wasn't able to get that sticky residue off just with hot water and soap, so I'm hoping that this will take care of it. I'm going to put it down here so I can get some elbow grease, and I can already feel that it's coming off really well with this mixture. And if your hands are sensitive to essential oils, especially orange oil can be really harsh on the skin, you might want to wear rubber gloves when you're doing this. Okay, I don't feel any more of that sticky residue. It's time to rinse. So much better. I don't know if you can see, but if I can get this dry, you can see that that spot that was there before, right in the middle, is all gone. Good as new. Thanks for joining me.